Hello guys. This is Microsoft Word and I want to show you how you can create your own certificate from online template. You can just create your own certificate from scratch. You can just go to the insert, you insert shapes, you go to different tools and you make your own certificate. But you can just get one from online template without starting from scratch. To do that or to create that kind of certificate, you go to file, you go to file, you go to file and you go to new, and here living here you can just find many different templates depending on what you want. You can just see if the template that you are just looking for is here, but if you not finding what you are looking for, use the search box at the top to find more template. Here Microsoft has many template, and then all of them are free. You can just pick one and edit it at your own. You can even put your own word. You can just put your own font on the certificate. You can do whatever. You can just search for invitation. You can search for wedding invitation. You can search for cards, flyers, letters. Here is human cover holiday. Here you can just get a business, some business cards, some business certificates, or you can search what kind of certificate you just want to look to get from here. You can go to and type in this search box. Let me, for example, type certificate, and get and just hit enter to see the certificate. And you see here I got more and more certificate. Here I have thousands of certificate. You can scroll down and pick one to edit. You can just take one. Maybe I can just pick this one, and once you click on it, here you can just scroll to the right to see other certificate you can get back. And once you just get it useful for you, you can just click on create, and now the certificate will be downloaded and be opened in Word, where you can just edit it. I click on create. You can see here I have the certificate in Word. I can just zoom out. I can zoom out to see it clear and complete. You can see here I have certificate of appreciation. I can change it to the certificate of achievement. You can just type whatever you want here. You can just type certificate of achievement. You can just select and change the font size. I can just increase the size. I can minimize. You can just go here and change the font of this. You can just change to the style you want. Yeah, this is the font style. You can change it to Century Gothic. You can just pick whatever. You can bold. Yeah, you can just do any modification you want. Award it to. Yeah, this is by default. Maybe you can just award this certificate to any name. Let me put mine to any name. You can just put any name you want, and here you can just thank you for your stellar performance. And here you can just put you can even just put your own words. You can just put here the one who is giving the certificate. Maybe it's a company, maybe it's somebody, it's a manager. You can just put maybe doctor. Yeah, you can put any name. And here you put the position. Yeah, Let me put maybe a name, maybe Dr. Jonathan. Jonathan M. Can just put M. You can just increase the font to the font size. I can just go here and change the font size. And here can I put a comma? I can put a comma here. I can put a comma here. You can put a comma here and put the position. Maybe it's the director. Yeah, here down you can put a date. Maybe it's in November. You can put a date. Maybe it's in November. I can just hit enter to put maybe November 22, 2022. And I can save the certificate. You can save it. You can just print it to PDF. You can just export it to PDF, and you can just make changes that you want on this certificate. And just have now the certificate. You can see here it's 2 pages. I can just remove 1 page. I can now here the size. And this is a template that are just selected. You can just go there and select your own certificate. You can do different modification, and I advise you to save it as a PDF file. You can go to file, and I can just print it to PDF. I've seen it in previous video. You can just go to Microsoft print it to PDF, and I can now print it, and I can give it a name. Maybe I just want to say to name it Etienne Achievement Certificate. You see, you can just create your own certificate. I can just save it to desktop, and I click save, and I go to desktop there. I go to desktop. I can now open my certificate. You see, now I have a very nice certificate. I can just make it full. I have a very nice certificate. You can see if you have a school, if you just have a ceremony, you can just create a certificate for the participant that performed well. You can just there is none to go to spend thousands of money to buy a certificate. You can just create your own and edit it the way you want and award to the people that you want to give it to this certificate. Guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you're just going to start creating your own certificate, and see you next time.